Hey, what's up you guys? If you're going to be towing a trailer with your Hyundai Santa Fe, you got to have trailer wiring installed on your vehicle. This is what our finished look is going to be like. It's a 4-flat bracketed to the bottom of the bumper fascia. Let's go ahead and break down our install here and show you how everything works and is properly mounted and get you guys outdoors.
You will need the tools seen here to complete this installation.
Hyundai did a really good job on prepping the vehicle for towing. It's going to have a tow package harness right behind the underbody paneling, behind the driver's side tire. We're going to go ahead and take that down and expose the 2 plugs that we need to use. And I'll be using a Phillips to lower down these 2-piece body panels here. Once that center portion comes out, then the base will just pull right out just like that. Okay, once we get the body panels out, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then it should just pull straight down. And this is going to be our tow harnesses. This one here, this one here. I'll go ahead and show you our harness that we're going to install. So right out of the box you can see that it's got the OEM plugs here. It has a powered converter here, and then the powered converter leads right to our 4-flat trailer harness. Okay, so our next step is going to be to remove the caps off of our tow harnesses here. Simply just press this button in and then pull out and it'll come right out. Sometimes they get a little dirty in there, so you have to wiggle it around a bit. Okay, and then we'll just take the matching harnesses and plug it right in. Make sure we have it nice and snug and clipped in. There we go. Okay, and that's it for the installation of the 2 OEM plugs. Our next step is to route the harness all the way around to the center of the bumper here, next to the receiver hitch, and that's where we'll mount our 4-flat. Okay, so now we're going to take our 4-flat and route it to the center of the bumper here near the receiver. There's some brackets behind this bumper fascia that I'm going to route the 4-flat through to keep it up and out of view. Okay, it'll come just like this. And now our next step is going to be to find a location for a bracket. You definitely don't want to just zip tie this 4-flat to your hitch here or wrap it around the receiver tube. It looks pretty ugly that way. So we're going to take a 4-flat bracket here and we're going to mount it right to the bottom of the fascia just like that with the provided screws. So it's really a good idea to spend just a couple extra dollars for a mounting bracket. It makes it look really professional. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and line it up here to make it square, and then I'm going to take a drill and using the bracket as a template, I go ahead and just drill some holes right through it. Okay, now I'll take the provided hardware from the bracket kit. we'll drop it through the holes here and bolt them down. Again, just to show you, this is our screw. It's going inside the bumper bracket, or inside the bumper fascia, and then down through the hole. And just like that. Our bracket up there. And we'll take the provided nuts, screw them down, get them nice and snug. Okay, then I'll be taking a 3/8 wrench and just tightening them down. Okay, it's good and solid there. Basically, we're just going to take the dust cover off. We're going to push the 4-flat terminal through the 4-flat bracket. It's going to lock into place there. Put our dust cover back on. Now that's left is to just clean up our wires that are hanging down here. Basically, we're going to just take the provided zip ties and we'll zip tie it all up so it looks really nice and real professional and clean, and all the wires are going to be out of the way and tucked up into the box area here. Okay, so we're just taking provided zip ties and finding anywhere that we can up and underneath the fascia to zip tie to and get it up and high and out of the way and from getting wet or getting any kind of debris or corrosion on it. Okay, we do want to get this converter box mounted up, and so it's just not banging around and making a lot of noise back here. So I'm going to go ahead and zip tie it up here. Okay, and the last step is to put our underbody paneling back up. Okay, and that's going to do it for our trailer wiring harness on our Hyundai Santa Fe. Thank you for watching our video. Have fun, be safe, and have a great time. Thank you.
To learn more about the products seen in this video, or to schedule an installation by U-Haul Hitch Professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.